there, welcome back to my Studio 25 YouTube page. I'm here at a wee camp place. Well, it's not really a camp place, it's just a wee camp sort of area car park. They're away to do £10 a night charging. They've not introduced it yet, so fortunately for me and my daughter, who is my camera lady for tonight, we've got a free night, which is pretty good. We're right on the beach here. It's a nice wee spot. Unfortunately, we've not got the weather today. A wee bit drizzly. We have had a walk along the beach with the dog. It's been quite nice, but the sun would have been a bit better. So we're just in the van today. We're away to have a little meal for tea. All I'm doing is a couple of packets of noodles. We're going to put them in the water, give them a boil up. We're going to add a tin of pork here and some sweet corn, and that's going to be an easy meal for camping. Okay.
Yummy, yummy, yum.
So that was a great wee tea in the van there, but the worst thing about it is that you've got to do the dishes afterwards. So I've just boiled up some water in my pot, and I just wash everything down. So the worst thing about having a small van like this is you've got absolutely no room to hide anything, so you've got to kind of clean as you go. Anyway, that's us finished with the dishes and everything. I'd just like to thank everybody for watching. I've got a little portable DVD player on the go, so just wait to watch a film with my daughter. We're doing a wee bit of colouring in, as you can see down here. I'm doing a little motorbike here, so we're just going to chill out. If you liked what you saw, just subscribe to my channel. I'll keep uploading videos. Thanks very much.